All right, I have the two different sizes right here, and I'm gonna save you probably a lot of heartache trying to return the smaller one, because if you're like me, you're probably assuming that the smaller one is going to fit your outlet plates. Because let me give you an example. This is, just about 5 inches. So you're probably assuming you're gonna go with the smaller one, right? Because if we measure the smaller one, it's just under 5.5 inches. In fact, you don't measure from here to here, but you measure the depth, which is, it starts about right here. So in fact, this does not fit this one. It actually, no, it doesn't. That's horrible. You're gonna need the bigger one. Look very carefully. Do you see right back there? It doesn't quite fit flush. The actual plate itself back there is just about 3.25 inches wide. And then the length is 5 inches tall. So about 3 by 5. And this size does not fit over that. Check it out. So it's nice that it does, it's a little bit, but for the most part, this size is much better. I imagine that 90% of people out there are gonna get this model. And you'll see this plate is the exact same size as the other one, about 3 by 5. But get the bigger one, just to make sure that it does actually fit over the whole thing. Check this out. And snug it up, and just like that, it is gone. Also, one thing that is noteworthy, there are 3, 1, 2, 3. This is not one of those extension cords that happens to have another one on the other side. Sometimes they can double up. This one does not, it's just 3 on one side, okay? All right, also they do come with a whole bunch of little tacky strips, as well as these cable organizers. So if you wanted to hide this, so let's say for example this, I wanted it to come straight down like so, I could use this elbow to pop it down like that and have it go straight down. Honestly, I don't really care because the cable down there is pretty well hidden by all of my coffee syrups. But that's it, guys. I really hope that you guys measure correctly and actually get probably the bigger one just to be safe. Honestly, it doesn't look that much bigger compared to this size. And personally, I would much rather have the entire plate behind there actually being covered. Last thing that I want to leave you with, because I didn't see a lot of people answering this, is what if you put this down here? Can you still access the top one? And the answer is no, you cannot. I mean, I don't know why you'd want to do that, because the purpose of this is to cover the entire thing. But in case you're wondering, no, you cannot do that. It has to actually go on the top one right up there, and at that point it covers the entire thing, and now you can hide your cables elsewhere. All right, so I hope that this is helpful. I'll put the link to these little hiding outlet plates in the description below. Man, these things are cool.